Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find the build number and keep tapping on it until you will see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check out a tutorial about them. Let's go back to the general settings, and now we can enter the system, which will be right above the About Phone. So let's tap on the system and enter developer options. Now we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.